I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the account type and the OS because steps differ. This matters. Once done, unlock the laptop with your current Passkey or PIN and make sure biometrics authenticate if required. Open Settings or System Preferences and navigate to Accounts, then Security or Sign-in options. Follow prompts, don't skip prompts requesting your current credentials. This ensures the system authorizes a change and prevents lockouts. Keep a backup method available, like a recovery code or another signed-in device. Now you create the new Passkey. First, click Change Passkey or Add Passkey and follow the on-screen wizard. The system will ask you to re-enter your current credential for security. Then type the new Passkey and confirm it. Make it long and unique to avoid reuse. Once accepted, enroll biometric options or set a short PIN as a fallback. Make sure to read any warnings about syncing with cloud accounts. That step ensures the Passkey propagates to your other devices, if desired. Finish by signing out and testing the new Passkey at the lock screen, and after a restart to confirm success. If you can't sign in, use the recovery code, a trusted device, or account recovery flow. Many systems let you reset using email or phone verification. Once confirmed, update any password manager entries and note recovery steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if biometric or PIN enrollment fails, remove old entries first, restart, then re-enroll. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.